What's up there, skid marks? How you doing? That's disgusting. That's a gross one. Today, Typewriter Series is number 486, baby. And I hope you love it. Here's your wee paper. It's old and it's recycled. And it's craft paper colored. And it's hard to read sometimes, but that's alright. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Yeah, Typewriter Series 486. It's kind of a sad one. But it's also a happy one. It's a hopeful one. Here we go. Who are you that used to be I? The bright eyes staring in wonder. Where did you wander to? You who shared this soul. You who knows the secrets I haven't even dreamed. Do you feel me when I wonder? Will you whisper and keep my eyes bright? You who is me, tiny me, staring with wonder at all things bright and glowing. Whoa. I love you a lot. Have a cool day. I'll see you soon.